I learned a very important lesson while doing this lifestyle project. Not only are these changes that I made very simple, but the impact that they make on the environment is huge. The interesting thing about this project is I found myself being much more aware and conscious. It's almost as if I care more, which is a good thing. I find myself even on my off days taking much faster showers, maybe not exactly in the 3 to 5 minute range, but not as long as 15 minutes anymore. Up until this lifestyle project, I didn't realize how much water I was wasting on a daily, weekly basis, and I find myself caring much more. Not only does it make me feel better knowing that I'm not wasting nearly as much water as I used to, but in the mornings when I'm taking quick showers, I'm actually saving more time, so I have extra time in the morning to get ready for class and school. I'd like to give a shout out to my roommates for complying with me and participating in this lifestyle project with me as far as avoiding our heat usage. By not touching the thermostat and leaving it off all day Monday and Wednesday, we significantly reduced the amount of gas burned to heat our household, and we saved money, which is a win-win. And by eliminating my car use, not only was I able to reduce the amount of CO2 gas emissions into the atmosphere by 3 pounds per week, but I was also able to walk an extra 4 miles a week, which is good exercise and just healthy for me overall. I'm honestly so happy to have had the opportunity to do this lifestyle project because it's really opened my eyes to how big of an impact these simple changes have on our earth. And to the best of my ability, I'll try my best to continue implementing these changes into my lifestyle.